Hello everyone, my name is Timo Huotari and I'm Chief Marketing Officer at Prometec. Do you know what you burn? It's the topic of the presentation. Uh, we have developed and commercialized automated sampling system for biomass. Here you can see in the first picture Q-Robot, as we call it. Too often the situation on the power plant is that there isn't information available. What is the moisture content of the material, what they will burn in next few hours? The quality controlling process is really slow and it happens often, almost every time, that in a control room they don't have information that what kind of material comes next to the boiler. It might cause some problems, of course, the burning process, and this is something that we want to fix. Biomass quality controlling is a global problem. The main error in moisture result is caused by incorrect and unrepresentative sampling. Like you know, biomass is extremely heterogeneous material where the moisture content can vary within one load several percent units. Imagine that you have 100 truckloads coming into the power station and you should be able to collect representative samples from each truck. It's extremely hard job to do. It also can cause occupational safety issues because these unloading places and sampling places might be dusty and slippery. Also, this wrongly executed sampling might cause disagreements between seller and buyer because when you do sampling in incorrect way, you don't actually know correct answer to that question that what is the moisture and energy content per each load. Here you can see two examples of biomass loads after transportation and after doors from the lorries has been opened. These stripes and layers are being formed because of the transportation and because of how these loads have been loaded. These different layers are containing different particle sizes and different moisture contents. This is one of the key reasons that it's extremely hard to collect representative samples from each load because it's hard to collect samples manually from the sides, from the middle and from the bottom. The main problem in biomass quality controlling is sampling. So that's the hardest part to do in quality controlling process. It's extremely difficult to collect representative samples from each load, and that can cause up to 80% error to the final result when we talk about moisture content and energy content. 15% of the error to this final result can come to sample handling and 5% can come from the measurement part. And these numbers are based to studies which you can see below. We can say that in general, biomass controlling process takes about 36 hours. This time includes biomass sampling, biomass sample handling, measuring the results and inputting data to fuel information system. We have automatized this entire process and we can do everything within 6 minutes. This slide here explains the total solution, what we can offer. So loads are registered to the QData program, which is cloud-based software. Anyone can access there who has the login information. We can do automatized sampling with the QRobot. We can measure the moisture. We can also measure the volume of each load. That data will be transferred directly to our QData software. This means that when you have online information of the material, all the processes, logistic processes, burning processes, other necessary processes can be optimized. Here you can see a bit more detailed information of the QRobot. So the main point is that QRobot is capable to collect representative samples directly from the loads and train wagons before unloading. Also, it can measure the moisture and volume online. Everything happens when the truck or train is on the sampling station. QRobot operates according to standards and it's really quick. QRobot collects samples from the semi-trailer truck within 6 minutes. Occupational safety issues are a big topic in industrial sectors. QRobot, our automatized sampling system, doesn't need to have an operator, but truck driver can simply start sampling system by using truck driver's panel, which is located next to truck cabin. This is our team in Prometec. Our company has been established in 2012 and at the moment we have 11 employees and our turnover was last year 2.2 million euros. We are operating in 4 countries and we have installed 8 sampling systems. At the moment, the sampling systems are collecting samples from over 60,000 truckloads and over 12,000 train wagons per year. Thank you for your interest towards our company. Here's an executive summary from our presentation. Here you can see 5 key points of our sampling system. QRobot is automatized, collects samples according to standards before unloading. QRobot can measure moisture and volume online also before unloading. QRobot takes samples randomly chosen places from train wagons and truckloads. Our clients can use the same sampling systems for different materials. And automatized sampling improves working safety and it's really quick. Thank you so much for your attention. Here you can see my contact details. Please feel free to contact me if you have any comments or questions. Thank you.